Welcome to the RSA demonstration. Today, I'll be giving you a quick tour on how to create a page. Feel free to navigate and explore your options afterward. Let's begin. Once you're logged into your account, I need you to look into the upper right side of your screen. You should find the Create Pages tool right before the landing pages. Click the blue page button to start creating your page. The first part of creating a page is filling in the important parts of the edit page content, just like in the landing page. Until then, and after you select Publish Page or Save as Draft, we can move on to the edit page layout, where we can further design or modify our landing page to give a better user experience. Likewise, since we have not entered any information yet, we receive the warning message when moving on to this section. Let's go back to the edit page content. The edit page content has most likely similar but simpler look compared to the edit landing page content. Firstly, kindly enter the page title in the field, then select the option to either show or not the page title. It is important for you to select the landing page where you're going to assign this to, or else your audiences may see an off-topic page in a wrong landing page. The page slug here can be your page title without spaces or a completely different name. RSA does not limit you on this, so feel free to input whatever slug you would like. The page content is optional because you can still add the contents of your page in the edit page layout section using widgets. Page media is optional as well, but if you prefer to add a page image, hide the page image so it will only be used as a thumbnail in widgets and feeds, or link your page video, you may freely do so. Just make sure that every change you do not forget to click on Publish Page or Save as Draft button.